Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to replace the wheels on a Sub-Zero. Now on this side we have wheels, and this side we don't, because at some point in time they were lost or damaged or something. So here's our parts. We have 3 wheels. Part number 702 3528, 3 of those, and we have the pin 355 0560, and then in here we have what they call a canoe clip. It's a little canoe clip right here. This is part number 345 0620, and it's a little clip that keeps that pin in place so that the wheels don't come out. So we have the pin, the clip, the pin, and 3 wheels. So pretty easy to do. The hardest part is getting underneath the refrigerator. So you need a special kind of a dolly or some way to hold the refrigerator up. Alright, here's our parts. And what we're going to do, if we can just get this out, here it is. We're going to put our wheels on the pin, like so. And then we're going to get underneath here. There it goes. So you take this little canoe clip, fits in here. You have to push the pin forward this way so it locks into place. Let me get a screwdriver. Okay, so now I'm going to get this screwdriver in there and push the pin this way. See, I got that pin in there, so this will not come out as long as that canoe clip is in there. You put the canoe clip in there, push it in like that, and that's it. And that's how it locks it into place. Whenever you move the Sub-Zero, always make sure that you turn the leveling feet all the way up, so that when you drag this across the floor, you're not going to bend. You're not going to bend the leveling feet. Okay, that's in. That's it.